One run there for extra cover. Elbow jump. Parth after it.
Go down, go down!
And John comes back for 2. Well run. John's hit it square. And that's out. Neil Chips went up in the air to mid wicket. 13 for 1 of 4. Could be 2 here. No, just the 1. Oh, that's bowled him. Well bowled. It all played over the top of a Yorker. Joel comes back. Well, David again. Ooh. And that's bowled John. I think that's turned, span off the probably middle and leg, and taken the off stump. I think that's gone up in the air. Sandeep's there, that's another wicket. Ooh, it's bowled him as well. 2 slips. And that's out. Aaron's walked down the wicket and he's been stumped. And I think that's the hat-trick ball. So a hat-trick for David there, the first one seen on AB Sports. Fantastic bowling. And James is out. Tried an attacking shot and hold out there. So that's the 7th wicket down. Still 26. Yeah.
Darren's got your place.
Number 5?
Moments like this, well, I know exactly what
Oh! That's another bowl. Has he?
5 in a row. Isn't it?
No, surely, maybe.
I think it's 5 in a row. 5 in a row?
We're thinking it might be.
Joe!
5 in a row.
Joe! Is it 5 in a row? 4.
Yeah. Oh, well done, well done, mate!
Sharp.
Got Lewis!
Brilliant.
2. Raise the bat, Lewis.
Ball comes in. 2 runs. Takes it on to 30 at least. Gone again. Over the top.
Run 2. 2 there. 2 there. 2.
Maybe it should have been 2. Just the 1.
Oh, hello.
That's bowled him.
I like how those are just sort of looking back. No. What does she do?
Oh.
Shot, Paul! Go the ball! Let it go, yes.
Coming back for 2. Couple of runs. That's another one.
Oh, lovely!
Perfecting that shot.
How he was on the flight.
Shot, Paul!
Paul's got
Lovely
away
shot.
again.
Could be a 4. Could be a 4.
Could be a 4.
Go on. Hey!
I think we're there. To Wombra.
Shot,
More
Paul!
runs.
That's gonna go. That's gonna go. Yeah, that's gone.
That's gone.
Let's stop, Paul!
And carries on. Another 4. The Paul there. Might be double figures.
Shot.
Probably run out.
You have to walk on and say, yeah.
Run out off the last ball, but well batted the last 2. Probably took it away from the records. So, yeah. Well bowled. So Womborough scored a total of 45. They were all out of the last ball. Cobras are going to come in and bat now. 4 byes. 4 wides. It's another 4. Through the other side. No, it's not going to go. 4 runs. More runs. A couple more perhaps. Aaron's after it. Chasing it down. Wells there. No run. Backed up by Mark. It's coming this way. Oh, there's the wicket there. Well held by Lewis. In a very dodgy hat. Again. To Aaron. Fielded. Bowling by John, taken by James there behind the wicket. Through the covers there, that's going to be 4 runs. Shot. Should go, no, it's going to pull up, I reckon. Not quite going to get there. Ian Fields. About. Goes long. And that's gone for 4. It's out there. 4 runs. There. And that's well held. Will takes a catch. Another wicket. So, Womborough, a little bit of a fight back. It's gone. For 4. It's gone a long way though. Toby again. That should really run. And that's a big 6 to finish the game. Well played everybody. Particularly Cobras tonight. Right on top from the very beginning. David's 4 in a row. 4 balls, 4 wickets. So well played everybody. Game went on a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. But Womborough well beaten. Cobras won well. Well played everybody. And that's the end of tonight's entertainment. Except for Lewis's hat. Marvellous.